Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and we are at Xemxija Heritage Trail. As you can see here, we have these amazing Curt Ruts, which there's a lot of theories, but nobody knows exactly what they are. I already covered most of the Xemxija Heritage Trail, but my target today will be to go down and visit the Roman baths, which last time I didn't do. So it's going to be a very interesting vlog. As I told you, I started with this Curt Ruts, which I didn't cover last time. Very amazing piece of history. If you can see, they are very, very deep. Many say they were done by carts. Look, if I put my feet down and if I go to this side, you can have an idea how deep they are. And here, if you can see, it's about 20 centimeters deep. Let me put my foot in. Look how deep they are. Amazing, yeah? And now let's try to find our way to the Roman baths. As always, I have to thank my sponsors, which are Zolio, the satellite communicator. Just in case I have an emergency or I don't have cell service, I still can contact my loved ones, and emergency service can be contacted with my location. Also JM Motors, which kindly sponsors these vlogs. He's a Maltese car dealer, and as I always say, a very honest car dealer, so go and see by yourself. He's a very, very nice guy. You remember when I went to do that vlog about Blue Grotto with the boat and I lost my mic? A company in Malta called Dickens reached out to me, and since I was telling that I lost my mic, they decided to support my channel by helping me out. This time I will have two microphones, which is very good. They are in a case that when you put them in, they can charge automatically. And now I have to find a way to go down there, somewhere down there. I think it's better we pass from here. Let me show you the views from here, how beautiful they are. And the bus that we're going to do is somewhere down there. We have to find the path to go down there. Here we have a World War II Pillbox. I'm not sure if we can visit, but it's always welcome. But the goal today is to find that Roman baths. Here we have this World War II Pillbox. Let's try if we can peek inside. Let me put the camera inside. Let's go around. Maybe we find it's open, but normally they are closed. Here we are on the other side, and here is a metal door, which we can peek inside. Let's have a look. So people live in here, put oil inside. How much destructive some people are. They leave it open like this so we can at least see the inside of it. These were the firing ports. They used to fire from. They have angle. Some metal windows. It's a pity people do these things. And here we find Baniet Roman baths. Raddi, these are the Curt Ruts here. So we are on the good path. We have to go down from here. Here we have some stairs as well. We can go down and we follow our way down there. We are making our way down. These stairs it's very user friendly, this track that we can pass from. We have more stairs. You have to take care because some of these stairs, these are thorns. These steps have this green grass that can be very slippery, so take a little bit care going down here. Remember, as always, coming these places, always leave no trace, any kind of trace. This is our heritage, and we find the baths. So we have just gone down these stairs here. These are the Roman baths. You can see there was a window and the door, which now is blocked. These were discovered in the year 2000. While doing some maintenance work. And these were not like this in Roman times. This was not here, the wall, and it was open. But at a later date, this was turned, first it started like a cemetery. Then it was turned in Roman baths, and after it was used like a farmhouse or dwelling, and they did it with the door and everything. So, like many places in Malta, these places have seen different uses in different times. As all the Heritage Trail here at San Paolo el Bahar, the local council did a very good job, and you can find a lot of information. You can find discovered during maintenance and cleaning activities in June 2000, was identified as a Roman period bath complex. The baths with their pools called tepid and hot rooms were cut into the rock and steep cliff overlooking Mistra Valley, because down there is Mistra Valley. Say in the 17th century, a beautiful wall and arched doorway were constructed, turning the baths into a farmhouse. It's an amazing story. Look how beautiful the arch is, the entrance. But now, let's go inside there. Look how beautiful they are. There is that window that I told you before, and here there was like a door which is now closed there. Look how beautiful it is. And it's not small. So let me show you on this side first. We can go down the steps, or maybe this was the pool. We have some niches, or I think it's called knees, when they are cut into the rock. Here, maybe it was done later. This is like, actually, what I'm seeing here, and I am 100% sure, this is like the catacombs, the burial chambers. You can see the two headrests, 1, 2, and exactly as we find in many catacombs, how they were used there. And then normally this is sealed up and it's left like this. It's an amazing find, this one. Here you can see like knees carved into because this is a wall, it's not part of the cave. This is part of the cave wall and all the ceiling. And here you can see this niche here, and here it was like a window. Remember that these places are part of the heritage of Malta, leave no trace. And here you can see so water can drain. And there's like, I assume a bath. I remember, I am not good at history as many people are. Here we can see a lot of carvings in the wall. And if we go up here, look how beautiful it is. And this door is amazing. Look how nice. Let me show you better. Look how nice it is. The arch, how well it's constructed. And even here, we call it chorok when they put these stones to close this part off, because most probably this, where you see the light, it was closed off. Let me show you here. There's natural lock here. Here is another carving into the rock, but I cannot see. Let me check better. I don't think this is like the burial chamber there. And here we have a path to go down here, and we have a path that we can enter from here, carved into the wall. It's an upper room. It's really, really amazing, yeah? This is the upper part, as you can see here. And here could have been this one a well or something similar. But it's being carved by hand here as well. Maybe it was deeper, because there's a lot of rock that was thrown inside. Amazing, yeah? And you are on top here. There's another room, because I think this was the cave, and then they constructed this wall here. Now we can pass again from here. Amazing, yeah? It's beautiful, eh? And when you are down there, you don't see this arch here. And here, let me show you. And here we are in another main room. From what I can see from there, this was built up. It had a roof here with chorok, we call them, which are these stones. And here we had even this is called the Maltese, a marbat which has a hole, so people can tie their animals inside here. And another amazing thing, most probably here, that has a stone that closed this part. Maybe this was where they their food for the animals or water. And if you can come to this side, we can find another marbat, which is, I'm telling you, is a stone with a hole from one side to another, where they used to tie their animals. And here, if they put a stone or some wood, this could be closed and maybe keep animals in here. If we go to this part here, we can see another carved niche inside the rock. And we have another window here. And with all this stuff we have here, with these places, they always have amazing views. We are part of the cliff here. It's a small hole here, maybe to drain water. And here is where we were before. Really, really amazing place. Look how nice. You have this room, which is rather large, very, very large. Then we have an upper room up here that you pass through the rock corridor up there. And then if we come on this side, we'll find another large opening. Have been carved into the rock to make this passage. But this door here is pretty amazing. They built. Look at how the joints are, how good, and the arch here. It's a very, very amazing place. Here one can see the facade of this Roman baths here, that later been turned like a farmhouse. And even down here, you can find there were some kind of baths that now they are destroyed. Because you see this part has been carved, and if you see here, this part have been carved too. Also here it was carved as well. I don't know if this was going to be continued in or no, but it's still amazing. They used to carve everything into the rock. This is the side of the cliff, but the facade here is beautiful. And if we continue on this side, although we cannot, this is part of the cliff that continues on. Another amazing part of the Xemxija Heritage Trail. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful site here. Very, very beautiful site. Big well done to San Paul El Bahar Local Council for this heritage trail. It's very lots of information, very well labeled, so very top notch. And now let's start heading back. As usual, I always thank the people who was helping up this channel. I will start by Dickens with helping with the mics. I will have to say a big thank you to GM Motors car dealer. As always, he sponsors my videos, and Zolio for this device that if I'm in trouble, it can help me up. So now, let's start heading back. And please tell me if the audio is a lot better now, which I am sure about.